If you are still hiring expensive creators for every single ad variation, you are burning money and wasting precious time. Today I am going to show you how to turn one long video into a stack of ready-to-post UGC clips using Vizard. This isn't about synthetic avatars. This is about taking your real content and making it work 10 times harder for your brand. The old way of producing content requires weeks of back and forth, but this new workflow allows you to build a full campaign in under 20 minutes. Let's start with your ideal customer avatar, because posting generic stock photos is a guaranteed way to kill your conversion rates. You need to find real people on social media who match the vibe of your target audience, whether that is busy moms or fitness enthusiasts. Once you have your look, use AI to generate a granular character description that focuses on texture, lighting, and that authentic iPhone camera feel. The secret to high-converting ads is avoiding that overly polished, artificial look that screams spam. Step 3 is integrating your product naturally, so it feels like a part of the environment rather than a staged photo op. Be very specific about angles and lighting, because consistency across your clips is what builds trust with your viewer. When it comes to writing your scripts, always break them down into digestible 10-second chunks. You want a clear hook, a personal story, your solution, and a punchy call to action in every single edit. This is where Vizard really shines, as it automatically scans your long-form footage to find those viral high-energy moments. Instead of spending hours manually scrubbing through timelines, you let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. Many people ask why they shouldn't just use those fancy synthetic character generators for their ads. Synthetic characters are often blocked by ad platforms, and they struggle with the nuances of real human expression. Vizard works with your actual footage, meaning you avoid the compliance nightmares and the creepy uncanny valley effect. Once you have your clips, it is time to polish them up in a simple editor like CapCut or Premiere. Always remember to add captions, because the majority of people on social media are watching your videos with the sound off. For that final touch of professionalism, run your audio through a voice stabilizer to ensure perfect consistency across every cut. If you are testing 10 different angles at traditional creator rates, you are spending thousands of dollars with no guarantee of results. With this Vizard workflow, you can iterate on performance in real time for just a fraction of the cost. Authenticity is the currency of the internet, so do not let fancy editing hide the human connection in your brand. Check out the top performing ads in your specific niche to understand what hooks are currently winning. Use that data to inform your scripts, then feed those proven angles into Vizard to execute faster than your competitors. Consistency checks like motion smoothing and end-card CTAs are the small details that significantly lift your click-through rates. Stop begging creators for revisions and start taking control of your own creative funnel. You can transform 1 hour of long-form content into a full month of short, clickable, and high-converting ads. If you want to scale without losing your human touch, this is the exact system you need to implement today. Start your next campaign with Vizard and see just how fast you can turn content into revenue.